How to change video speed in Reelshot. Changing video speed in Reelshot allows you to create dramatic slow motion effects or energetic fast forward sequences. This guide will show you how to easily adjust the playback speed of a video clips. In your open Reelshot project, tap on the video clip on the timeline whose speed you want to adjust. This will select the clip and reveal its editing options. Look for the speed tool icon in the editing toolbar. It often looks like a speedometer or shows 1x. Tap on this icon to open the speed adjustment controls. You'll typically see a slider or present speed options like 0.5x for slow motion, 2x for fast motion. Drag the slider or just select on 2x, 4x. Depends upon how you want the speed. As you adjust, the preview will update. When satisfied, tap done or apply to confirm. We have saved here. Your video now has a dynamic new pace. You've successfully changed video speed in Reelshot. Add more impact to your footage. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot editing techniques.